Assalamu alaikum. I'm Professor Amir Ijaz. I'm Professor of Chemical Pathology at NUS School of Health Sciences, which is located at 12 Islamabad. I'm also I also work with Hive Academy. Hive Academy is a UK-based institute which is working for the training of doctors who want to go to UK. It helps in them in preparing the lab exam and also help them in getting jobs after qualification of lab in UK. The Hive has also started preparatory courses for FCPS Part 1, and they have recruited and employed highly qualified and experienced teachers of basic sciences for FCPS Part 1. Most of these teachers are either at PhD or FCPS. I'll also be teaching chemical pathology in this course. I'm involved in teaching FCPS Part 1 for the last nearly 2 decades, and I use very modern and innovative methods of teaching in FCPS, which is mostly MCQ based because this exam is MCQ based. I always get very good feedback from students. They really enjoy my talks, and they give excellent feedback on after my talks. And in this course, all the teachers will use these methods of interactive teaching, and we will give you free hand to ask questions and clear your queries, your difficult concepts, and you will definitely enjoy the course, and you will learn a lot, and inshallah you will pass the exam immediately after attending this course. Thank you very much. Please do join us.